how to turn on or turn off Google Keyboard or Gboard, undo autocorrect on Backspace on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and from here, tap on General Management. Then go down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, tap on Text Correction. In here, we scroll down, and then tap on Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now, if you find this feature is grayed out, it is because of the option at the top here. Make sure you turn on auto correction so that you can make adjustment to undo autocorrect on Backspace. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.